Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel Museum of Geology. Today I will discuss about the mineral graphite. Graphite is a mineral which is found in metamorphic igneous rocks, and it is an excellent conductor of heat and electricity. Also has the highest strength of any natural material or mineral. It has been used since ancient times and also wide range of applications, and in modern world it is using in many industrial activities. So now let's look at some of the common uses of graphite. Number one, it is used in a writing material. Most common use in making the lead of pencils, and these leads are a mixture of clay and graphite, which is in an amorphous form. Number two, it is used in lubricants. So graphite is one of the main ingredients lubricants like grease. Graphite also used in car brakes and clutches. The powdered form of lumps graphite is also used in paints because by nature graphite is water repellent, so it offers a protective coating on wood and the other surfaces. Number three, it is used as a refractory. So graphite is widely used in refractory material. It finds its use in the manufacturing industry, and it helps in the production of glass, steel as well as processing of iron. Number four, it is used in nuclear reactors. Graphite can absorb fast moving neutrons. As a result, it is used in reactors to stabilize nuclear reactions. Number five, it is used in electrical industry, or we can say batteries. So crystalline flake graphite is used in the manufacturing of carbon electrodes, brushes, plates, which are needed in dry cell batteries and the electrical industry. Number six is graphene sheets. Graphite can be used to make graphene sheets. These sheets are said to be 100 times stronger and 10 times lighter than steel. This derivative of graphite is further used in making lightweight and strong sports equipments. So these are some of the top uses of graphite. Now I will discuss about the top 9 graphite mining countries. So there are 9 countries which are mining the graphite. Number 1 is China, number 2 is Brazil, number 3 is Canada, number 4 is India, and number 5 is Mozambique, number 6 is Ukraine, number 7 is Russia, number 8 is Norway, and number 9 is Pakistan. So in Pakistan it occurs, or we can say the graphite deposits are in Neelam Valley, Hunza Valley, Kagan Valley, Dargai Complex, Sargodha district and Khairpur district. So viewers, it is all about the graphite, and let's wait for my next video for more information about minerals. Thank you.